Hi, I'm Beat from IBS. We are in Corsica doing a 4x4 tour, and we are showing you the LandCruiser 150, what is on this side over here. I walk around and show you what's all installed. At the front we have the TJM T3 bull bar with a torque winch and light force driving lights. The kit what is installed here suspension wise is the TJM Heavy Duty Series 4000 with struts in the front and shock and coils in the rear. AirTag snorkel for deep water crossings. Side steps on the side to protect the car if the car slides sideways. At the back we have the Kaimar rear bar with wheel carrier and canister carrier. If you look underneath, here we have a 150 liter LRA tank installed. So we have a total fuel capacity of 240 liters. I open now the carriers. If you look in here, we have a Sortimo drawer system with nice drawers, so it's easy to keep everything under control. On top we have here also quite a bit equipment, water, threads, shovel, and this is actually also my sleeping bench, so during the night I'm sleeping inside of the car. On the roof we have the Rhinorack roof rack with TJM awning, and as usually also my windsurfing equipment is with me. We go now to the electrical side of this truck. As you see, we got quite a bit of mud, so mud is also inside of the engine bay here. This is actually our test car where we test all our latest IBS equipment. So what you see here is the TBM 20 with the IBS relay, and in this car we are running beside the two batteries. This is starter battery and this here is auxiliary battery. We also run a third 100 amp hour IBS lithium battery. This third battery is controlled through a DVR, what is charging from the front into the back. On the side here we have an extreme air compressor. It is equipped to run the diff lock in the car, and we can also hook in the air hose to pump the tires, so this unit is running both applications. We are now going inside of the car. I go to the driver's side. Inside here we have here the IBS system, what is well known in the four-wheel drive industry. So this unit is controlling the DBM, the DC-DC charger, what is installed under the bonnet, and we still have with the installed relay the link functions, so we can do emergency starting with the help of the auxiliary battery, and we can also support the winch if needed. For navigation, we are running several systems in here. One is a classic Garmin 60 CS6 navigation system, and we are also running Samsung tablets for trip navigation, which is very handful with the OpenStreetMap navigation. So all the remote tracks here in Corsica are well on there, and it is very easy navigation. We go now a bit further to the back. I walk around the car. On the side here, I open the rear door. We have here the angle fridge to keep all the food nice and cool. And here is a 400 watt IBS ultraside inverter installed, what we mainly use for recharging the drone batteries. Thanks for watching, and we will be present with more other cars. Thanks a lot and enjoy it.